Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's video I wanted to take you on a little bit of a tour of the stock that's going to be coming up for us for the Spine City reload. A few different treasures that we've got in here. Little Thai Mahanavichii, regular kind of Myriostigma, which I don't grow a lot of, so fortunately we got one of those. In here we've got some Echinopsis hybrids. Down here, this is a variegated Copiopoa hybrid, seed grown, never grafted. Got here, this is, I believe, a Betty Boom hybrid. And we've got here a Gymnoclisium spegazinii. And this guy's actually got some battle wounds, but I do get quite a few people asking for plants that are a little bit more weathered and things like that. So this guy's perfectly healthy, just had some old damage. We can see the new spines. He's going to end up with some scars, which will be pretty cool. This is Submachicana Ornakita, I think it's pronounced. Really cool tube-like flower. Robusta craziana. Probably not saying half these right, but hey, if you know what I mean, that's good enough, isn't it? And this here is a nice little Labivia arachnacantha hybrid. It's got a bicolor flower. It looks spectacular. Echinocereus fitchii. This guy here, flowering size, obviously. And this here is another Echinocereus. This is Cucumis. Grows kind of like cucumbers, similar to, I think, maybe like Gentrii or something like that. But really, really cool. Little Erioses here, Eriosis, which is seed grown. I don't know the type. I'd have to check its label. This beautiful one here, Labivia. Big fan of Labivia. And another Labivia there as well. These ones have orange flowers. This is a Copiopoa hypogea. You know, they're just the regular kind, but really nice form. A little Erios hybrid, really pretty flower on that one. Alright, where are we up to? Labivia caniana, one of the more savage bivs. So these things are absolute weapons. Savage spines and nice soft purple flowers. Down here, this is an Echinopsis hybrid. This is the one with the purple flowers. This has been really popular. But honestly, it's such a cool plant and it's so easy to look after. I got mine growing in straight gravel, full sun. I don't water it, my big one, the one that I use for the flower example photos. And it just keeps trucking. So super tough. Basically shove it in a pot, put it in the sun and leave it alone. It'll do its thing. Moving on, we got grafts. And this is a Labivia, I can't say the second bit, Jojoina porticostata or something along those lines. Anywho, another one of the savage bivs. These have absolutely sensational flowers, which you will see on the Spine City page. So they've got a black throat and usually orange with a few other tones through them, but these grow into absolute weapons. This little guy here, beautiful asterias. Nice and fluffy. I have to check the code on that one. It might be a particular cross. This is Gymnoclisium spegazinii, the short spine version. It is not that ungispinum one, but something pretty darn cool and something you don't see too often. So that's it there. We got here Cynthia Nesii, which really cool and don't see too many of them around really. I grew the parent plants from seed, so if you have one that's not from me, I can guarantee that it will be genetically unique. One thing with these, don't overwater the grafts, because if you do, Cynthia pop open and split like an overcooked hot dog. So just be a little bit more on the reserve side, but in saying that, I've never had one do it. We got here beautiful Astrophytum hybrid, good form and good character on a young plant. This pup will be removed, and that's it there. So the seed will have been from Star Astrophytum. If you're not familiar with their work, definitely do check them out. They are some of the best in the business. That's where most of, actually I think all the Astro seed, apart from the stuff that I make, is from. Another one here, good character, nice white lines down the ribs, and we got some funk going on as well, which we love. And down here, Mammillaria lutii, incredible. These are starting to kick really hard, and I think within a few months these will be absolutely huge, and they have incredible pink flowers. More Astro, because you can never have enough. This has got beautiful white lines down the ribs, and of course funk as always. Right, where are we up to? Ooh, nice little squishy asterias, or button cactus. Need to check the code on this, potentially Thai genetics, but I'm not entirely sure. I'd have to check. And ooh, nice little Echinopsis labivia hybrid here. This one has not flowered, so I can't tell you what the flower will be like, but let's just have a moment and take a chance on me. This is another labivia from the savage realm of Biv, and there's quite a few of them, and I've got a soft spot for them if you didn't already guess. But I mean, look at that. That is a weapon. And being labivia, you are guaranteed to have incredible flowers. There's no question about it. All labivia have beautiful flowers. Prove me wrong. This here is from the Spine City Lab. This is a Labivia chilensis cross. So mama plant is Labivia chilensis, which has very long spines, but they're a little bit on the softer side. So it'll be interesting to see how the genetics play out from the cross with that one. This is unflowered, so you'll be the first to see it if you get it to flower before me. Another little Aereo, nice little nubbly one, looks like some kind of Napana. Again, I need to check the codes. I do know my plants, forgive me, but I have a pretty big catalogue, and it's just, I need to check the codes on some of the plants when they're a bit smaller. Another Astro. I mean, look at that. That's what you want. If you want those funky ones you see on the internet, this is how they start. Good character from a young age. Oof, love it. This here is a Pyrocactus megiolii, I believe. Again, I need to check the codes because I've got quite a few different Pyrocactus, and they all look quite similar when they're young, but I always pick the best. And this is a double header as well. This one here, love that. And another little Labivia hybrid. This one here. And it's about to flower, so I'm going to put it up anyways, and hopefully I don't want to keep it because the flower's incredible, but I think I've got a couple more of this one. This one here, Ortigocactus macdouglii, super popular and an incredible plant. Also, not difficult to degraft and not difficult at all to grow on their own roots. As a lot of you will know, I always advocate for a high mineral mix, and these guys really like that. The skin will get bluer and more frosty after degrafting, so yes, it will come back and look a little bit more natural. I don't like to over bloat the grafts anyways, as best I can, but whenever you degraft a cactus, it will always improve in its appearance every single time. So if it looks good now, it's going to look even better degrafted. And this one here, oof, oh my goodness, that is that is absolutely incredible. I want to keep it. No, it's a Spegazinii. It's a very particular form, and the seed for these would have come from Mesa Garden. So very big producer of seeds, and some really incredible plants that you just won't find anywhere else. So fortunate enough to have seeds from them. But this is it for now. There are some more pieces that will be going up, but this is all for the store. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye!